Wait, I will come. Now you tell.
So this is a hydraulic hand and it works on the principle of Pascal's law. It is based on that when we put pressure on one side, like when we put pressure on the master cylinders, slave cylinders work. Like this is a slave cylinder and this is a master cylinder. When we put pressure, it will move the axis. We will move this one, this master cylinder, this one, slave cylinder will move. And it can control, we can control like this the whole movement of this object. Like this will control the movement of the whole of these two hands, and this will control the movement of these two fingers. This will control the movement of the axis. You can rotate like this. We can pick up our object also like this. This is a Hindi Bengal. It's Hindi.
Wow, very good. Very good.
This is basically a Tesla coil. Here, Nikola Tesla was a great scientist in 19th century. He is well popular for his invention in the field of electricity. This is one of his great inventions. It's called the Tesla coil. This works on the principle of Lenz's law. Lenz's law states that when there is one inductor, when there is an inductor and we pass electricity, it will gain electricity and electric field. That is called electromagnetism. And when there is another inductor means these coils, another inductor that will also get electric field. And when two electric fields combine each other, they make two electromagnetic fields combine each other, they make an electric field. But via that, we can terminate electricity wirelessly. For demonstration, there is a fluorescent tube. When I keep it closed, it's off. But when I turn it on, it's going wirelessly without any wire or any connection. This is the basic invention of Nikola Tesla.
You want to I heard? Good. Yes. Explain it.
Yes, sir.
Explain it.
So, explaining our project, the 3D printer, then the filament printer. Filament is from the here the main 3D printing part is there. One nozzle is present inside this one. Here the filament melts and we make the project. This is our main machinery part. We vary the temperature high. This is our bed. We vary the temperature of the bed and also the nozzle from this part.
Explain your project.
This is a greenhouse effect. This is for greenhouse effect. This is the sunlight and this is the glass house. In the daytime, sunlight shines into the glass house and warms the plants in the air. And in the night time, the temperature is colder than the daytime. So the greenhouse, the glass house remains warm because of the sunlight.
Now explain your project.
It's a light security system. When we put our hand there, we are interrupting the circuit, and the circuit is getting updated and the buzzer is blowing. And here, reset button is there, and when we press the reset button, it turns off. Here one nozzle is present.
And now explain your project.
Here the filament waves. This is a earthquake alarm. When there is a earthquake, the copper wire is oscillating. This will burst, and the people in the house get precaution to leave out the house.
They will get precaution.
So my project.
Yes. You prepared. Very good. Yes. Explain this project.
So this is a dialysis, homodialysis process. Now, if our kidney gets damaged or if our kidney is not working, that time the blood pump will pump this blood, the oxygenated blood from arteries. This is a heparin, heparin injection for in case if there is any clotting in blood, it will not let it to do. Now, when the deoxygenated blood will enter here, it will filter to oxygenated blood. Now, the oxygenated blood will move to here. Here, the veins, it will detect the pressure in the vein. The air pump, if any air is there inside the blood, then it will take the air out of the vein. And now,
after this, the veins will supply the oxygenated blood to the heart so that the process goes on.
Good. Yes, now you explain. Yes, explain it.
Model of third made and it is showing the pumping and the circulation of blood. So it's pumping and circulation of blood. This one, red one is oxygenated blood and this one is deoxygenated blood. So oxygenated blood is
Good. Explain it.
Which will purify the and respiratory system. So the ureters through which the pass out. Do you want to see the water?
Loudly.
During the inhalation process, the lungs expand, as you can see from here, and during the exhalation process, it got contract, diaphragm, then relaxes. This is the
Good.
from the ureters.
Yes, explain from beginning.
So this is the kidney working model where these kidneys purify the blood and from the ureters the urine pass out through the urethra. So now I will show the working model of the ureter. As you can see, the liquid passes through the ureter and exhales.
Good. Yes, explain your model.
Sir, you know about Chandrayaan 3? It is a part of the Indian Space and Research Organization. And sir, it is a rocket that was launched on July 1, 2022. All things are written here. I have made a working model of it. With the help of syringe, one syringe is connected to the rocket and one is in my hand. And there is water inside it. When I push this syringe, it creates a pressure and the rocket goes high. That's how it works.
Yes, please explain your project. Loudly, bit loud.
Sir, this is a solar eclipse. Eclipse 7 on a planet or a moon falls in the sunlight. That is called eclipse. And on Earth, we can experience two kind of eclipse. One is solar, one is lunar. Solar happens when a moon is in between of sun and Earth, and the shadow of moon falls on the Earth's surface. That is called solar. And lunar, when the lunar blocks on the Earth's surface, when the ray of sun
Good.
So afterwards, so we are connecting that.
Okay. Yes, explain what you have prepared.
So basically, this is greenhouse effect. In this phenomena, the sun rays strike the Earth's surface, but some of the rays gets reflected back into the space, but most of the rays get trapped into this inside these trees and all, and which increases the global warming, and it also releases harmful gases which can also affect our ozone layer and also our atmosphere.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Yes, explain your one.
Welcome, sir. This is a water slide project, and this uses a pump system from which the water is pumped upward, and from here it is allowed to slide down to the layer to the surface. Thank you, sir.
Good. Yes. Who will explain this project?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes, madam, explain it.
Our project is on the topic of pollution. We are showing that how factories are producing air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. Factories are releasing harmful gases which really affects the child and old men and women, and how the way the factories are releasing the gases directly in the ponds, it affects the land and the fishes which are there in the sea, and the ponds or the trees are dead due to the effect of the harmful chemicals.
Good.